Hello YouTube. Today we'll talk about how to use a quadratic equation. Last time we did the completing the square, grouping, and everything. But this time around, we're gonna do the actual thing, the real deal, the quadratic equation. This will always come handy, whether it's factoring or like any type of factoring. This is the thing. This will get you there to x. And to find your x, use the quadratic equation. So, before I start anything, just note this. Just the equation, obviously, but every quadratic equation is like this. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, or just this expression. And we're going to break that down and solve it, okay? So, right here, we have negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the whole thing divided by 2 times a, and will give us an answer for x. So I have an example right here. X squared plus, hold up, my bad. I think that's supposed to be 9, but that looks very bad. 9x plus 5 equals 0. So to start, we need to identify some things. ax is this variable right here, and that's basically just 1. So a is 1, b is 9, and c is 5. So let's start. So negative b, so negative 9 equals plus or minus square root of 9 squared, and that's 81 minus 4 times a times c. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20, so negative 20. So we'll do that later, and then the whole thing divided by 2a equals x. So now let's start breaking it down. Alright, so negative 9 still stays there. So plus or minus square root of 81 minus 20 is just 61. So square root of 61. We'll simplify that later if you want to, but my bad. So 2a. And a is right here, so is 1. So 2 times 1 is just 2. So we keep that there. So to be honest, this is gonna be integer. I mean, it's not gonna be integer, but if you want to do it, if you don't care, it's negative 4.5 plus or minus divided by 6(1) over 2, and we got our x. So x would equal to this. Negative 4.5 plus or minus square root of 21. Square root of 61 divided by 2. Obviously, you can simplify this, but if you just don't want to do that, you get your answer. Keep in mind that before starting to do this, I know I kind of rushed, but if you're a beginner, it's good to identify things. So a is 1, b is 9, and c is 5. Without the way, you can just input things in the equation and solve for x. It's really simple. It just requires patience and accuracy. To be honest, that's all of math. Math is an extreme. It's just a game of accuracy and attention to detail. And anything can be learned if you give it your all. But yeah, peeps, I hope you guys had learned something today. And take care of yourself, and see you later, alligator. Bye-bye, mathematicians.